I started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zambezi Traveler. So today, as you can see, I'm in the field and it's the season for plowing. So we are going to sow millet, which is mahangu. In our tradition we call it mahangu, and in Sobia we call it in Oshiwampa we call it mahangu, and in Sobia we call it Mauza or Mauza and Silozi. And this one is the maize corn. So we are also going to plow maize corn in our field. This one we also make what? We make pap, or we make ugali from the maize corn, and these ones are the beans. So we are also going to plow to sow the beans. So okay guys, let me show you how we normally used to sow. Which one are we using? Which one are we starting first? Which one are we putting a millet? The first one, right? Okay, for Ibe, you put millet, and I put, which one is for millet now? So this one is the for millet. Mapungu, the middle one. This one, Mapungu, and then okay. How many are we putting? Two or three? Three, no? Okay, let's go. You can come. You can come. Come with us. So I will show you. This is how we, guys. This is how we normally used to plow our maize in our field. As you can see that the other part of the field is having millet. This is the millet which is in the field, and the other side we don't have millet, so we have to replant with the feeds. So we use feeds when we are plowing. This is the way we normally used to plow. Here we don't use tractors, we use our hands with the hooves. We dig holes, and then we put our what? Our maize. Is it fine?
Yes.
Baby, how many are you putting? So with the maize, with the mahangu, we don't count them. We just put because they are too small. Eh? The what? Chickens? Where are they? No, they are inside. You have to go test them. Boy, take to talako tate. Oh, what? This is a temon, eh? This one in Oshirambo language we call it a temo, and in English it's a hoop. Take it to tate. Talako tate. How do you say it? Tala. Tuala kutate. It's just the same. Even in Subia you say tuale. Tuale kwatate. It's just the same. Here we are putting what? Makunde, ne? Oh. Let me just take makunde. Ila, come. What is makunde? So this one, the other row, first row it was for millet, the second one it was for the beans, and now, I mean for the maize. Here we are going to put beans. How many beans are we putting? 3, 4, 2, 3. 2 and 3, ne? Oh. Yeah, did not even put. Okay, 3, 3. Guys, we are busy in the field. This is how we plant here in Africa. We use feet. We just dig the hole with the holes, and then we use our feet just to pull the sand. This is how we plow. This is beans, guys. These are the beans. So yeah, show you. one is the one from above. The one in the middle. For maize. This one is for what? For maize, eh? As you can see, like a beautiful girl is busy. We are busy in the field. This is how the field looks like. We are busy planting our oil sowing. This is season for plowing, so we have to be busy in the field. You cannot just eat like that. You have to do what you have to work very hard. Yeah, this is the millet, which was this one. The millet was planted. It's mixed millet, and this one is maize. It was just planted, I think, 3 weeks back. This is how it looks like. This is our fields. This is how our fields looks like. We are busy cultivating. Then the other side, these are the pumpkins, the watermelons, and the matilla. I don't know how you call matilla in English. Yeah, these are the pumpkins. The pumpkins. This is our field. Ndongo. This is how our field looks like. Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. I cannot just film and sewing at the same time, so I just have to concentrate only on sewing. So this is where we are going to stop our video for today. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and for my new subscribers, I love you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you. Bye.